Hello everyone, Alex Moses here. I have a question. How dangerous is it to borrow money before your business is taking off? First, it's impossible to evaluate what the value of your business is before you took off. You can create any evaluation and projections, but nobody knows what it's going to make. No real investor will give you the money. And if they will, they're going to ask, if they see a great opportunity at it, they're going to ask for a huge percentage of it, unless you give them a potential of returning their money pretty fast. Do not borrow money in the beginning. It's dangerous. You need to find customers who will pay you for your services or products. If you don't have a service or product yet, pre-sell them. Borrow money from the potential customers so you can render services as a pay instead of paying them back on their investment, because they're not going to ask only for their money back. They're going to ask for more, double, triple, quadruple of their money back. It's a very dangerous way of going. You can just go to the bank and borrow money from the bank. If the bank doesn't lend you money on your business idea, it's not a good business idea. Because in order for you to receive money for business, there's 10,000 businesses in the USA alone who lend money to businesses. There's $25 billion lended to businesses every single year. It's one of the biggest businesses in the USA right now. So if you cannot find money for your business, there's something wrong with your business. You need to change the model. Contact me. We'll change the strategy. We'll make an adjustments. We need to change the positioning. We'll find the potential customers. Find the stream of income for your business, immediate, that shows the growth. There's a lot of things that needs to be done, but do not borrow money before you have an existing business and you know where you're going with it and you have a proof of concept. So you borrow the money, it's like a fuel and a gasoline to make it big, to explode, to grow. That's why you borrow the money. You don't borrow money just to start the business. This is the no. Never borrow money. If you need financing, go to banks. Borrow under a small percentage, like 10%, 8%, 7%. That's how you borrow the money. You don't go to investors. Investors would want half of your business. The risk is very high. It's personal money. Banks don't care if they lose money. It's not their money. They borrow it from a government anyways. So who's going to lose? Nobody's going to lose. Nobody cares. You borrow money from angel investors or venture capitalists, they want double, triple, quadruple their money in order to lend you their money. And they want it fast. They're going to do very little to help you. So work with your customers. Build your businesses for your customers and borrow money from your customers. That's the only way to structure the business properly. If you have any questions, contact me. Let's sit down. Let's set up the strategy that your business can generate income ASAP. And enough income to pay the bills. And enough income to generate growth so you can invest and expand your business. If you don't do that right now, get in touch with me right away. That's all for today. Alex Moses here. Good luck. Talk to you soon.